Hi KMS, Mrs. Hines here. So I just wanted to give you a tour of my laser engraver. At the end of each school year, I buy myself a tool. This school year was a little more challenging, a little more interesting than the most, so I decided after 15 years, I'm going to buy myself a laser engraver. So I ordered an Omtech laser. It's a California-based shipper, so I was kind of excited about that, but it is a Chinese company, so I was a little nervous about just the whole shipping process, but Amazon made it super easy. This is an 80-watt laser. It has a laser bed here. Just open this up. That measures 20 inches in the Y versus 28 in the X. What's really rad about this laser is it has pass-throughs, so I can put material in there forever long. As long as it fits with, it will go on forever because there's a pass-through in the rear as well. So that's pretty awesome. I bought a water chiller, aka it's basically air conditioner for said laser because this is a CO2 laser. In the back here, there is basically coolant, aka water, that goes through and cools off that laser because it does get quite hot. So to hopefully prolong the life of the laser, just open this up here so you can see. There's our tube, right? So we got black wires that we had to put together, and then we soldered the red ones together, put them in some silicone. I just got to go through and clamp the rest of the hose clamps on. You can see in that one I did put the little bracket on already. So I'm just going to go through and do that before I actually turn this on and function it. So I just want to kind of explain to you, I have not cut anything on this laser yet because I'm still waiting for one just exhaust so I can go out the window here. I did take a piece of board and I cut just a hole in the back of it, so hopefully this is going to go in my window and help me vent out. The laser I have engaged, and I did pull the emergency stop off, which is nice. So I have it plugged in. The fan, the exhaust fan, and the water cooler are plugged into there, and then the laser is plugged into a GFI outlet over there, so hopefully everything goes well. They do give you a set of keys with your laser. So this little nifty one right there, that'll open up all your doors, and this one's to engage. They give you the sample along with your serial number, and then this is supposed to help you focus it. This laser does have an autofocus, so I was really excited to see that. I'm going to be using the Lightburn software, so hopefully I'll be able to make our first announcement sign just for something fun to do. But I figured I could just show you how it turns on. Hopefully the camera will allow me to do that. But everything is plugged in, so I'll just turn the switch on right here. I turn the cooler or the AC on first. That throws a switch because it's like, hey, it has to check and just pump that water through. So there's distilled water in here, and that flows through the back, and then that's what's going to keep the laser nice and cool so it doesn't overheat. To turn on the machine, you have your power switches off here on the side. I should probably open that control panel up just so you can take a look at it there. But if I just flip the switch, okay, you can hear it turn on. That's the laser. Now, so let's open it up, show you there. So that's pretty exciting. Right here, so the control panel, you can control it this way, your right and left, up and down. You can also control your Z-axis. It also has a manual Z-axis right here. So I'm really excited with the autofocus to get this guy working up soon. So stay tuned for all the awesome things that we're going to make this summer. But I just want to show you my laser. Pretty excited.